My name's Mary Tabor. I'm on the Iowa Court of Appeals, and I graduated from the Iowa College of Law in 1991. Well, I came back to law school after having a career in journalism for a few years, so I realized that I wanted sort of the basic foundations of critical thinking and reasoning and become a better writer and a better legal researcher. And going to Iowa Law, I think, really helped me get started down a path, and especially in the area of criminal law, because I think I was inspired by some of the classes I had and the professors I had in that field that made me want to practice in that area. My favorite class at Iowa or series of classes were taught by Professor Greg Williams. He'd been a deputy sheriff in his earlier career, and so he was able to tell us a lot of very entertaining stories. And I took a seminar from him on police discretion that I still sort of go back to in my thinking when I'm considering the legality of different acts that police may have engaged in and things like that. So I think that really sort of foreshadowed my career, how I took to those particular classes. Being an Iowa judge is a great career, and I feel very honored to be an Iowa judge, and I think my background at Iowa Law School has helped open the door to that. We get to see just all variety of cases. We're generalists, so we just see kind of every claim that was raised, and it really kind of takes you back to law school days and when you took the variety of cases, everything from property to contracts to intellectual properties to trusts and estates to criminal law. I mean, we would see it all and hear it all in a day, and so being able to look at all those kind of really fascinating legal questions and then having the responsibility of deciding how they come out and the real impact on people's lives, I think is an amazing and sort of daunting task, and I just feel very privileged to be in that role.